To disassemble AudioLink XT, insert the opening tool into the groove at the top of the device. Do not twist the tool while opening AudioLink XT, as this could damage the housing. Slide it around AudioLink XT from one side to the other until the main unit and the battery unit detach from each other. To assemble AudioLink XT, first attach the battery unit and the main unit starting at the bottom. Press the two parts together until the battery unit fully snaps into the main unit. There should be no gap between the two parts. The green status light will start blinking to show that your AudioLink XT is ready to use. AudioLink XT can be used with the attachment clip. Align the clip to the hole on one side and carefully snap it into the hole on the opposite side. Alternatively, AudioLink XT can be used with the docking station, even with the clip still on. Open the rubber socket and make sure it sits in its recess. Then, push it down firmly into the docking station.